Hello, today we will guide you through how to get more accurate answers from Claude AI. To begin, open your browser and search for the Claude AI login page. From the search results, select the official Claude sign-in page and log into your account. Once you're signed in, go to the side menu and start a new chat. Beginning with a fresh chat can help keep your requests focused and reduce confusion from earlier messages. Now that you're ready to write your prompt, the key to getting more accurate answers is to give Claude better instructions. In general, the more detail and context you provide, the easier it is for Claude to understand what you want and respond in a useful way. A short or vague prompt can lead to a generic answer, while a clear prompt often leads to a much better one. One of the most important things you can do is be specific. Instead of asking for something broad, narrow your request so Claude knows exactly what to focus on. Clear wording helps the AI understand your goal, the scope of the task, and the level of detail you expect. It also helps to provide context. If you're working on a school assignment, a business task, a creative project, or research, say so. Context gives Claude a better sense of your situation and allows it to tailor the response to your needs. Even a little background information can make a big difference in the quality of the answer. Next, specify the output format you want. For example, you can ask for a paragraph, a list, a summary, a table, or step-by-step instructions. When you define the format in advance, Claude can organize the response in a way that is easier for you to use right away. As the conversation continues, ask follow-up questions. If part of the answer is unclear, incomplete, or not quite what you need, continue the chat and clarify your request. This back and forth process is often the fastest way to improve the result. You should also use examples when possible. Showing Claude the kind of tone, structure, or style you want can make your request much clearer. Examples reduce guesswork and help the AI match your expectations more closely. Finally, refine your prompt. If the first response isn't perfect, adjust your wording, add more detail, or tighten your instructions. Prompting is often an iterative process, and small changes can lead to much more accurate answers. With these techniques, you'll be able to guide Claude more effectively and get responses that are clearer, more relevant, and more useful.